Have you ever wondered if you can earn free money? The answer is yes, you can, and the best part is you can do it without any effort, without any experience, and without much time spent. We're going to show you today how you can earn free money by just clicking. In fact, you can earn $60 just to click. You don't need any technical skills or any prior experience. Even an absolute beginner can benefit from my unique methods. Stay to the end of this video because I'll show you how. It's always nice to have a little extra cash. It's even nicer to earn extra cash without having to do much at all. There are about 1 million different ways for people to make more money or receive a passive income online. But with a multitude of get-rich-quick schemes, among other sketchy services, it can be hard to decipher which ones are legit. Still, this doesn't mean that there aren't great and reliable sources to use to start earning a little extra money. The most popular choice for many of us is using pay-per-click sites, also known as PPC. These sites make money by selling advertising space on their platform. Pay-per-click sites provide advertisers with the opportunity to reach millions of potential customers and entice consumers to join by paying them for viewing the ads. It's a two-way street where everybody benefits. GetPaid sites are another viable and popular option. Similar to the PPC sites, GPT programs sell advertising space as well as surveys, videos to watch, etc. The site then promotes these opportunities to their members. When a consumer participates in an ad viewing or takes a survey, they earn a portion of the revenue that the GPT website makes for selling that ad space. There are plenty of options out there to start earning today. However, it's important to research and vet any program before use, as there are many scams out there as there are reliable websites. Not to mention, some programs are more robust than others. So in order to be informed and actually make money, I put together a list of the top 5 best programs to use for earning cash online. Number 1. Scarlet Clicks. Scarlet Clicks is another viable option for an easy way to earn money online. They have a minimum payout of $2. Luckily, they offer a wider range of payout services. You can use anything from Skrill, Payer, or even Bitcoin. You can earn money through Scarlet Clicks in a couple different ways. They offer to pay you for clicking links to ads, completing online forms, and even referring friends. You can make around 1 cent per click. Plus, you can earn up to 100% of your referrals' earnings. In order to start earning with them, you need to select a membership plan. The plan you choose determines the amount that you can withdraw each time. With a standard plan, you can withdraw around $5 each time. However, with the higher plans, you can expect anywhere from $10 to $50 depending on what you pay for. All in all, the payout isn't bad considering they have paid out nearly $2 million to their 77,000 members. Number 2. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash works the same way as many other pay-per-click sites. It has the traditional ways to make cash by clicking on ads, links, etc. However, it does have one key difference in that you can make money by installing mobile apps. You do get a $5 bonus for signing on, and you can earn quicker through the referral system. By having others in your network join, you can earn up to $1 when they confirm their email and $2 when they finish their first offer. Number 3. GetPaid. GetPaid is about as simple as the name suggests. They are a pay-per-click site that has streamlined the process. What makes them different is that they use a coin system. Essentially, every time you complete a task, you earn a coin. You can do anything from filling out surveys to completing sweepstakes and winning contests. The nice part is that you can cash out your coins with PayPal, so you don't have to download a lesser-used system like Skriller. Like many of other sites out there, they include a referral system. On average, you can earn anywhere from 20 to 30% of your referrals' earnings. And that's it for today, and if you like this video, do watch our next video about making easy money online. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.